to Table Talk, where the talk goes around the table. I'm your host, James Sunderland. Today is a bit of an interesting one. Taiwan's government has proposed and plans on spending approximately $1 billion on installing new AC systems in elementary and junior high schools nationwide. Joining me today is Shin Hong, our Taiwan correspondent. Shin Hong, what are your thoughts on this move?
Thank you, James. Finally it happened. The government is helping our children in the school. Yes, it's very good.
Could you explain to us, how is this beneficial to you or the children?
Okay, James, okay. Number one, the children, they already work so hard. Every day, so many homeworks. And they stay up late. And then they also go to the cram school. After the cram school, they have to come back to the school. At the school, they're already so tired, but they have to stay focused. But the classroom is too hot. So they sleep. Even the teachers sleep. You even sleep. Classroom is too hot. Okay? Number two, the AC, the old AC, it makes too much noise. Okay, it makes too much noise, and it also poisons the throat. It's not good. It's not good, James. Very good now it's gone.
I don't see how new AC helps with that.
It's a very easy, James. Very easy. On the hot day, open AC, no sleep. On the cold day, open AC, no sleep. You try it.
I'm sorry, what? Open the AC on a cold day?
Yes, sir. You try it. It really works, James. You try it. You wear a jacket and then you put the AC on.
That defeats the point, doesn't it? Shaquan would like to add more on this topic. Shaquan.
James, this for real, bruh. Taiwan's all about that AC. It's just like you with your potatoes and whatever. Like they got AC every season, every month, every day, every room, everywhere, bruh. My friend Jackson, he was over there last year and he came back with a frozen butt. How he get the frozen butt? Your ACs, bruh, they too cold every minute. He just not Taiwanese enough.
But Shin Hong, now, don't you think that money could be put to better use and make a difference perhaps with the housing? Now, I've heard that an apartment in Taipei costs on average 10 million new Taiwan dollars. But the average salary income per individual is only at 30,000 new Taiwan dollars. What do you think about that?
Sorry, James. Sorry. I need to change the location. This is stupid girls. They're busy doing this dancing. Look at this. What is that? It's a K-pop. I don't know. I changed. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry.
By all means, please do go ahead. Right. Well, that Shin Hong, I'm telling you, that Shin Hong's a naughty one. He's saying relocate. I bet you he's over there getting their line contacts. Could you imagine that? Oh, Shin Hong is coming. Oh, could you give me that line contact, please? Oh, let me send you a hello sticker. Zoop. Hello. He's probably gonna send a dinner sticker next. Oh, that Shin Hong.
Sorry, James. I not changed to another location. But
Oh, he's back. Oh, right. Shin Hong. Yes. Right. No, it was not a problem. Not a problem at all.
Oh my goodness. Now they changed the speaker to face me. And they changed the direction. Not in the same place. Oh my God. What is going on? This generation. Little kids. They are high school, senior high school, little girls dancing short, doing the trekkie thing. I don't understand, James. What is wrong with our people these days? Oh my goodness. The parents allow them to do this. Oh my God, the other people, they are also filming them. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. James, I think the other people, they are filming them and they post online later. I am so ashamed. But look at the girls. Oh, you cannot see the girls. I show you. Look at the girls. Look. Oh my God, and then the older man is also filming. There. Oh my God. Oh my God. And they're only the senior high school. James, this is my country. It's a Taiwan. I'm so ashamed. It's everywhere now on the TV. I'm sorry. Yeah, the housing price. What's the question again? I forgot. Housing price in Taiwan always stay expensive. Government cannot help. Oh my God, what? I'm so sad right now, James. Sorry. We'll talk next time, okay? Bye-bye.
Right, it's quite unfortunate that we didn't get to hear a full opinion there from Shin Hong about the alternative spending. He was unfortunately preoccupied. However, thank you very much for joining us today. My name's James Sunderland, and this was Table Talk. See you next time.
You ever heard of hypothermia? Man, you're gonna get that. You're gonna get that so hard they're gonna call it the new COVID-20 if you keep using that AC like that. Just turn the thermostat a little bit down, bro.